What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're into AI and content creation, you know the world of AI video is exploding. Just a year ago, getting a decent clip was a struggle. Now, we've got multiple powerhouse platforms pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Today, we're putting two of the biggest names head-to-head in a 2025 showdown. Runway versus Pika Labs. Which one is the best AI video generator for you? Let's dive in and find out. First, let's talk about Runway. Think of Runway as the established pro, the powerhouse that's been in the game for a while. Their latest model, Gen 3, is an absolute beast when it comes to photorealism and character consistency. If you need to generate a video of a specific person doing different things across multiple scenes, Runway is currently leading the pack. The level of detail and skin textures, facial expressions, and lighting is just mind-blowing. It's fantastic for creating short films or cinematic sequences where believability is key. Runway also offers a whole suite of creative tools beyond just video generation, like green screen effects and motion tracking, making it a comprehensive creative studio. It's incredibly powerful, but all that power comes with a bit of a learning curve and a more premium price tag. Now, let's swing over to Pika Labs. Pika burst onto the scene with a focus on creativity, accessibility, and pure artistic flair. While it might not always match Runway's hyperrealism, Pika excels in style and imagination. If you want to create a dreamy, anime-inspired landscape, a surreal Ghibli-esque animation, or something that just looks incredibly stylized and unique, Pika is your go. Their interface is super intuitive, often starting right from a simple text prompt in a chat-like interface. This makes it incredibly easy for beginners to jump in and start creating amazing things within minutes. Pika is also innovating with features like lip sync and the ability to expand video canvases, which are game changers for creators. It feels more like a creative playground designed for speed and experimentation. So, let's break down the core differences for video quality and realism. Runway's Gen 3 currently has the edge, especially for human characters. It produces clips that look incredibly close to real camera footage. Pika, on the other hand, wins on artistic style and ease of use. You can achieve looks with Pika that are simply harder to replicate in Runway without extensive prompt engineering. Think of it this way. Runway is the professional film camera, and Pika is the magic paintbrush. In terms of features, both are constantly updating. Runway offers a more integrated all-in-one production suite. Pika focuses on core generative features that are fast, fun, and powerful, like its sound effects generator, which is a fantastic addition. So, who is the winner? Honestly, in 2025, the best AI video generator is one or the other. It's the one that best fits your specific project. If you're a filmmaker aiming for cinematic realism and have the time to fine-tune your shots, Runway is an unbeatable tool. You'll get results that are polished and professional. But if you're a social media creator, an artist, or someone who needs to generate visually stunning and unique content quickly, Pika Labs is your champion. Its speed, creative flexibility, and user-friendly approach make it perfect for rapid iteration and bringing imaginative ideas to life. The best workflow might even involve using both. The real winner here is us, the creators. This competition is driving innovation at a breakneck pace. My advice: try the free tiers for both. See which one clicks with your creative style. What are you looking to create with AI video? Let me know down in the comments which one you're leaning towards. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of AI content creation. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.